The 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor is built to accelerate quicker, climb easier over rocks, and fly higher than the regular Bronco. The ultimate Bronco boasts a 400-plus HP twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6, a special long-travel suspension, huge 37-inch tires, and lots of other off-road goodies. Thanks to distinctive styling cues, such as exaggerated fender flares and an exclusive grille design with amber lighting elements, the 2022 Bronco Raptor won't be confused for anything else. Of course, its extensive catalog of custom accessories ensures owners can further tailor the rig their way. While the Raptor is considerably more expensive than the standard-issue Bronco, hardcore enthusiasts will crave its incredible performance. Ford has only announced the base price of the Bronco Raptor. It's slightly more expensive than the F-150 Raptor, which starts right around $67,000, however. Only the Bronco version comes standard with 37-inch tires. Getting them on the pickup requires spending at least $78,470. We know the Bronco Raptor will only be offered with a four-door body style, but we're still waiting for pricing details on available packages and individual options. The Bronco Raptor features Ford's latest Sync 4 interface, with a large 12.0-inch touchscreen that's mounted in the middle of the dashboard. The infotainment system comes with contemporary features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The most desirable options also include a powerful Bang and Olufsen sound system. Despite its enhanced off-road abilities, the Bronco Raptor shares its interior design and dimensions with the regular Bronco. That means it comes standard with rubberized flooring, marine-grade vinyl upholstery, and an overhead set of auxiliary toggles. Those who want a more luxurious cabin can opt for leather trim seats too. As with the regular Bronco, the Raptor also features removable body panels, specifically frameless doors that Ford claims are easy to remove. While it's only available in a four-door configuration, the Raptor still enjoys all the innovative features found on other models, including exterior mirrors mounted on the base of the windshield that are still usable when the doors are taken off. Likewise, there's a rack built into the top of its dashboard that allows smartphones and GoPros, which can be plugged into nearby 12-volt outlets, to be mounted there. Ford didn't put a V8 in the Bronco, but the Raptor features an extra potent twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 that's said to make more than 400 horsepower. The engine pairs exclusively with a 10-speed automatic transmission and an advanced four-wheel drive system that works in concert with selectable goes over any type of terrain modes. The Bronco Raptor also has an even beefier suspension setup than the standard version to best handle powering over sand dunes or being jumped through the air. And it has a much wider track that's set up for better high-speed stability. The Raptorized Bronco is equipped with Fox adaptive dampers from the F-150 Raptor, as well as standard 37-inch BF Goodrich K0 2 all-terrain tires. The SUV is rated to tow up to 4,500 pounds too.